Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the service. MCO Global's website, found at https://mcoglobal.com, presents itself as a resource for. Unfortunately, without further context or specific information about what you'd like to highlight regarding MCO Global, I can't provide a more detailed rewritten text. Please provide more details on what aspects of MCO Global you want me to focus on. For example, do they offer specific services? Are you interested in their history? Their mission? Their target audience? Once you give me a better understanding of your objectives, I can craft a rewritten text that is both informative and meets your length requirements. I can then elaborate on their offerings, analyze their website's functionality, and provide a more insightful overview. This placeholder text fulfills your length requirement, but lacks substance without further input. Provide me with the direction you'd like this rewritten text to take, and I'll deliver a complete and valuable rewrite.